Hi, I'm Michelle. I'm with Old Hickory, the makers of this Churrasco. We're a manufacturing company based out of North Bergen, New Jersey. We've been existing over 75 years, and we are a family-owned and women-owned business. When you receive your unit, you will be able to assemble the parts. You will see a burner, a burner cover, then you will be able to see some grates. We'll have a different amount of grates depending on your model. If you have a 3-foot, for example, like this one shown, this will have 7 grates. Those grates are lined up inside of the cavity right above the burner and burner covers. You will leave about a 1/4 inch of space between each grate so that you can allow for any expanding when the metal gets hot. The grates are part 604. Above the grates, you will find small ceramic briquettes. Those ceramic briquettes will be lined up 9 per grate. Another thing to think about with the ceramics is that they must be put in a pattern. They cannot be piled up one on top of the other. This will void the warranty and as well will disrupt your cooking. The use of the ceramics are that they retain any heat and also push it out, and that's how you get your best cooking experience. When you first get your unit, each pilot must be lighted independently. However, to turn on each individual burner, not just the pilot, once the pilots are lit, you will turn the knob so that the on is upright. For startup, please allow about 15 to 20 minutes for preheating the oven before you use it. If you're cooking meats with a high fat content, you will likely see more of a fire flare up, and so work accordingly because you don't want to leave a bitter taste with your searing. Additionally, if you do see a flare up, you're able to potentially recommend to your chef to keep a spray bottle or a squirter of water and one of oil. When you see a flare up, that's when you would squirt or spray water onto that flare up. And conversely, if you see there's not a lot of activity going on, you're able to create a flare up with the oil that you're using from your bottle. You want to ensure that the units are all the time at halfway mark of water. Make sure that your operators are keeping an eye on this so that they can ensure that you have good cooking conditions for the unit and a safe environment to cook. The reason why we fill up the drip pans with water at the halfway mark is so that the environment can stay humid and moist so that you keep that juicy chicken or whatever product you're cooking. Reason number 2 that you have the drip pans with water is so that any debris or droppings that fall are able to safely land on a pan of water. The next part is now where the more exciting stuff happens because now we're getting into the cooking. Each spit location is motorized, meaning that if one motor goes down, you still are able to keep your kitchen running because you've got all the other motors ready for you to begin cooking. They're not chain driven, individually motorized. On the right side of your unit, you're going to have an on and off button for all of the motors. So if you're not using a motor, simply do not use a spit in that location. You will see it turning, but that's it. If you want to fill up your whole Churrasco, you're able to put all the spits in and they will be rotating at the same speed. The next part is an option for your unit. And so this is going to be a rack that we put in there as a way to use the Churrasco as a grill instead. And so this is the grill rack option, and on that you put grill bars. On those bars and rack, you'll be able to create a grill to sort of potentially put some steaks on it and change up your menu. Another feature of the machine is that it is very easy to clean. A lot of the parts can be removed, cleaned separately, and put back together, so any nook and cranny is taken care of. However, we must note that the ceramic briquettes inside of the machine cannot touch water. So if you are going to clean them, which we do definitely recommend doing, remove them all and use a brush to brush off any debris on the ceramic briquette and then place them back in. We also sell a smoke box accessory that can be used inside your unit. All you have to do is get some wood chips like this, wet them, and then put them in the smoke box that goes inside of your unit above the ceramic briquettes. That will allow for a smoky flavor in your menu as well.